What's up? Gonna make a slightly different drink. It's called a Marocchino, and it's like a mocha, but a cappuccino, and tons of chocolate powder. So, got our small cup. Gonna measure out 17 grams. It should be right on 17. There we go. All right, gonna use our medium jug again. Go ahead and get the tamp down and everything. And I will split the shots before I go too much further. Let's get out some cocoa. Because, like, I see some people use cocoa as like a base for the for like chocolate side of things, but not everyone. Whoa. So that should be enough cocoa for, giving it that taste. I'm gonna add cocoa via the shaker later. So I'm gonna pull a ristretto. It's like a 1-to-1 basically. Not a lot of espresso at all. Like, we're using a really small cup. Shot looks perfect. That's all I want. Right there. Now let's go ahead and mix this. I may have been a bit conservative on the cocoa, but this is a really good cocoa, so I'm not too worried about not getting a good taste through it. Right, that's mixed. Enough of the milk. Very, very little milk. I'm going for full foam. Also, I just noticed I have 2 pitchers out. Let's use a normal pitcher. That's all the milk I'm adding. Just like a splash, basically. So I'm going to be doing nothing but expanding, basically. So you'll always be hearing this air go. The hissing noise. A little more to the edge, so we can get more even introduction of air. And we got a good layer of foam, but I'm going to keep it going. It's getting really hot. Just going to be careful with it. Yeah, it's pretty tough frothing, milk foam to make foam. Because you're using such little milk and things happen really fast. Like, really, really fast. Alright, let's clean up this area a bit before we finish it off. Yeah, look at that foam we got. All right, now let's see. I bought myself a shaker, like an actual shaker for stuff like this. So Try not to make too much of a mess. And what I'm also going to do, put a bit in here as well. We want to save that foam, so I'm going to pour out some of the milk and save some of the foam. All right, save the foam. Now we just put that on top. Got a really crazy layer of foam right there. Interesting. But yeah, let me get a close-up for y'all. Marocchino. Or Marocchino. I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but that's the drink. Basically like a mocha cappuccino of sorts, but in a small cup. But this looks really tasty. I'm gonna drink it. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Oh my god, it's so good. All right, thanks for watching.